Hey there, folks. So today I'm going to try to show you really quick how to make an introduction video real quick, or at least tell you about it, and then actually how to show you how to put all of your playlists into that introduction video. Okay, here we go. So there's me, and that is one of my videos, easiest to make quiche method and recipe. Okay, and what you want to do is have that open while you are in the videos section of under video manager. Okay, this is where you can change things like the category. Okay.
It's 14.